SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Make a great choice today with 2010 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.